Are you a blogger, storyteller, or a creative mind looking to create a website for your blogging career? Or an entrepreneur, creative agency owner, artist, or traveler in need of your personal blog website? Introducing Diary Dark TNC, the best Webflow blog template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of Diary Dark TNC. Now, let's see how to use Diary Dark TNC. So, if you are looking for the best personal blog template, get Diary Dark TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNCode.com.